Okay. Good afternoon once again, everyone. So I hope all of you remember the problem that I asked in last class. Tell me, 2 to the power 64. Yes. How many of you remember this? Tell me. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, some of you have already solved. Some of you have already solved and told me the answer. Okay. Like I got the answer from Shavya, right? Niketan. Okay. So tell me what is the answer. Tell me what is the answer. Those who have solved it, what is the answer? Very good, Brinda. You have solved by yourself, Brinda. Yes, very good, right? So see how easy this question was. Those who have solved it, right, they might have figured how easy this question is. So I said that, okay, 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2. This is the hint that I gave, right? Yes, this is the hint that I gave. And I also told you to find 2 to the power 64. Now think about it. Think about it. 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2, right? So what is 2 to the power 64? Can I say 2 to the power 64 is 10 to the power 0.3 to the power 64? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Anyone have any issue in this? Anyone have any issue in this? No? Clear? Right? So if we use the property, right? So I can say, okay, it is 0.3 into 64, right? 0.3 into 64, which is 10 to the power 19.2. Now, I hope all of you remember this question. 2 to the power 64 is same as 10 to the power 19.2. And we have studied, right, in last class, we have seen this problem, that if I'm having 10 to the power 19.2, it is between 10 to the power 19 and 10 to the power 20. So number of digits is 20. So tell me, don't you think that this is the same problem? I just twisted it a bit. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, I'll explain once again. Right? Ragini, 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2. I have already given this. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is all I have already given. This hint was given. No, see, it was given hint. See, it is written over here that 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2. That's what I'm going to teach you today, Brinda, right? That's what I'm going to teach you, how to solve if hint was not given. Okay, right? That is the concept of logarithm. Okay, so I'll just explain from here. We have 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2, right? And we have to find 2 to the power 64. So 2 to the power 64 is 10 to the power 0.3 whole power 64. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no, Ragini? Tell me, Ragini, yes or no? Yes. Now we can use the property. What is the property? If I'm saying that I'm having this, think about it. I'm having this property. Okay. A to the power x whole power y is equal to what? A to the power x into y. That's the property. Yes or no? That is my property. Right, everyone? Tell me. Yes. So 10 to the power 0.3 to the power 64 is 10 to the power 0.3 into 64. So 64 into 0.3 will give me what? Tell me. Will give me 19.2. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Yes or no? Yes, yes or no, no? Tell me. Yes, yes. Very good, right? Now, this is same as the last problem, right? This is same as the problem that we solved, right? If I'm having 10 to the power 19.2, so it should lie between 10 to the power 19 and 10 to the power, yes, very good, Niketan. It is, yes. Okay. So the answer is 10 to the power 19.2, which lie between 10 to the power 19 and 10 to the power 20. So the answer is 20 digit. The answer is 20 digit. Okay, right? Now the question is this. Okay, so this is easy because, okay, Brinda, very good. So this is easy because, okay, I've gave you the hint, right? Now let me ask you another question, okay? Right, let me ask you another question. 2 to the power 2 is equal to what? Tell me, 2 to the power 2 is equal to what? Think about it. 2 to the power 2 is equal to what? 4, easy, super easy. Or I can say 2 to the power x is equal to 8. So x is equal to what? Tell me, x is equal to what? Yes, very good, easy. Very good, Arav, very good, Shravya, very good, Aditya, very good. Very good, right? So I can say, okay, this is 2 to the power x is equal to 8 is 2 to the power 3. So if we can equate this, right? Base is same, then power should be same. So x is equal to 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Anyone have any issue in this? This seems like easy problem, right? This seems like easy problem. Yes or no? Right? But if I give you this, suppose if I give you this, 2 to the power x is equal to 5. 2 to the power x is equal to 5. Find x. Can I find it? Tell me, can you find x? No, right? No, no, because 5, right? 5 cannot be written in terms of 2. We don't know, right? 5 is not a multiple of 2. As simple as that, right? Is 5 multiple of 2? No, right? But I want to find the value of x. So value of x may be something in decimal, right? Because we know that, think about it, 5 lies between which two number? 5 lies between 4 and 8. Yes or no? Tell me. 5 lies between 4 and 8. Makes sense. Just let's talk about it. Let's think how to find it, right? So this number 5 lies between 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? No, I'm just talking in terms of 2 to the power, right? Anyone have any issue? Tell me. Anyone have any issue in this till this point? No, not 2.5, Arav, not 2.5. Nah, not 2.5. Okay. I don't know what would be, but it would be 2 to the power 2 point something, 2 point something. That something might be anything, right? Might be anything. 2 point something. Okay. That's something I don't know, right? That's something I don't know, right? Okay. So I should, yes, it's not exactly in between, right? So it would be 2 point something, 2.1, 2.2 doesn't matter, right? But it should be something. But I want to find this. I want to find this. How to find this? Okay. So basically, this kind of expression, this is also kind of expression now, or equation, yes or no? This is also an equation, yes or no? Tell me, is this an equation? Tell me, is this this equation? Yes, right? It is an equation now, right? It is an equation. What is this equation? This is called as exponential equation. It is called as exponential equation. Got it? Right? Exponential equation. Okay, and you have to find what? You have to find the value of x. You have to find x. X is equal to, yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? This is what you have to find. Exponential is equation is just a name given, Shravya. It's just the name given when variable is in power. Okay, when variable is in power, then the name of that equation is exponential equation. Got it? Got it, everyone? Tell me. Right? Got it? Okay? Okay, very good. Now, obviously, how to find this x? How to find this x? My question would be how to find this x? Okay, is there anything that we have studied till now which can help me to find this x? Tell me. No, right? No, I don't know anything about that. Okay, then how to find this x, right? And we have 2 and 5. What will happen to this 2 and 5? Okay, right? Yes, so we have to play a game called finding x. Like finding Nemo, we have finding x. Finding x, right? Okay, yes or no, right? So this two guy, this is this 2 which is base, 2 which is actually base, yes or no? This is your base now, right? And this 5 which is actually your value, right? Value, right? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no, right? So these two guys will try to find x, right? Yes or no? But obviously they cannot find themselves, okay? They need some help. They need some help of some detective kind of person. Yes or no? Tell me, right? Yes. So that detective is something called log, right? This log. Log is a detective kind of person who will find the value of x, right? Got it? So log will take help of 2 and 5 and will find the value of x. Then you should ask, okay, how log will do that? Okay, got it? Now, first of all, you should ask, what is log, right? Obviously, he's not a detective, right? Okay, I'm just telling you detective in order to give you a basic relation, but in mathematical term, he is not a detective, right? Yes or no, right? So log is your a kind of operator, right? Or you can say it is a function, right? It's kind of operator. Now, like plus, minus, into, right? Divide, yes. Yes. So we know that every operator have a specific job. Yes or no? Tell me. Every operator have a specific job. Yes or no? Right? Plus will add two people, right? Minus will like split two people, right? Multiply, divide, everyone have some specific job. Everyone is worker over here, right? So log is also having some specific job. Now tell me, what should be the job of log? Think about it. Now, after this, what do you think? What should be the purpose of this log? What should be the work of this log? Yes, very good. Finding x, right? Yes or no? Finding x. But obviously, okay, finding x exponents, right, or powers. Okay, so log will give you the value of what? Log will give you the value of power. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Right? Yes. Now that's what I'll tell you, right? That's what I'll tell you how. But first of all, we have to like identify my problem statement. My problem statement is finding power, which is x, right? So this two people, base and value, okay, this base and value, they went to this guy called as log and they said, okay, you take help of both of us and find the value of x. Okay, so this log will say, okay, very good, I'll do that. That is my job, right? My job is to find x. Okay, my job is to find x. So this log will find x. Okay, so I can say, okay, if log, the job of this log is finding x, how? So x, now log, obviously log will find, log is an operator. Now what will happen to these two? What will happen to these two? So obviously log will take the help of these two. Enough. So we'll write like this, log 5 base 2. Okay, this is the representation. This is how we write. Okay, this is how log will take the help of these two. Got it? Tell me, got it? So x will become log 5 base 2. This is just the representation, right? Okay. Now think about it. If we talk about 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, what is 2 plus 2? Tell me. 4. But why 4? Why not 5? Tell me. Why 4? Why not 5? Why 4? Why not 5? Think about it.
So when you raise two fingers and again you raise two fingers, you would just get four fingers.
But suppose, okay, right? If I would have been a mathematician, right? Before this number is discovered, okay, right? And I would have told you, okay, if you lift two finger and two finger, then it will be 5 finger, right? Then it is 5. Then what you would have studied till now? Tell me. Think about it. If I would have been the your ancient ancestors, right, before this thing was discovered, and I would have told you that 2 plus 2 is 5, then what you would have studied? Think about it.
So then in place of 4 there would be 5 and in place of 5 there would be 4.
Yes, right. Got it. Yes or no? Makes sense, na? Then everyone would have studied 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, 2 into 2 is equal to 5, right? So this is quite interesting that this is something that, okay, one guy just thought, okay, this should be called as 5, let's call it 5. This thing should be called as 4, let's call it 4. And we have been studying like that, right? Yes. So obviously, so your question should be, okay, sir, what about this? How to find this? Okay, some person gave the value of this, right? Gave the value of this. The value of this, we will study the value of this, but someone gave the value of this, log 5 base 2. It has some value, okay? For example, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, someone gave you that this is 4. Someone told you that this is 4. In the same way, okay, in the same way, someone told us that log 5 base 2 is something. It is something, right? So, which we can find. Got it? Tell me. Got it? That I'll tell you what is that something. Okay, that I'll tell you, right? But that is another story, right? That something is another story. But I hope all of you understood what is this. Log 5 base 2 is a value, right? Is a value, right? Aditya, for that we have to know about log, much more about log that we will see. We have to remember, for example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We remember, right? That, okay, this number is called as 4. Okay. Yes or no? Right? In the same way, we have to remember the value of logs, right? But base can be anything. But we cannot remember all the powers, right? So we remember value of log with base 10. So log 2 base 10 is 0.3. Now, tell me, have you seen this anywhere? Tell me, have you seen this anywhere? Think about it. This is the value, fixed value that we have to calculate, right? This is fixed value someone have calculated. Have we seen this somewhere? No? See, I've just changed the perception, right? If I tell you that, yes, we have seen this, tell me, yes, we have seen this. Right? Okay, let's rearrange this. 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2. Have we seen this? Tell me, have we seen this? Think about it. Yes? Now, don't you think that this is same? Now, this is same. 0.3 is the power, 0.3 is the power, 10 is base, 10 is base, 2 is value, 2 is value, right? Got it? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? So can I say like this? Okay, okay. So if I'm having anything like this, think about it. If I'm having anything like this, a to the power b is equal to c. A to the power b is equal to c. Okay, a to the power b is equal to c. So here, what is b? B is power or exponent? Yes or no? A is base. and C is value. Anyone have any issue in this? Tell me, anyone have any issue in this? Right? So log will find the value of what? Log will find the value of what? Think about it. Log will find the value of what? Think. Very good, very good. Right? Log will always find the value of power. Very good, Aditya, very good, Shravya. So log will find the value of B. B is equal to log. Now, this log will take the help of which two numbers? Tell me, this log will take the help of which two numbers? A and C, right? A and C. A and C, nah, here it is A and C. The question is A and C. Now, out of A and C, what is base? Base is what? In A and C, base is A. So what is the meaning of base? What is the meaning of base? Base is, right? Base is, tell me, in English, right? In English, when you talk about English, base is what? Base is the lower value, right? Lower place, yes or no? Bottom place. Think about it. Yes? Think about it. Base in English, base is your lower value, right? For example, we are standing on a base, right? Which is our floor. Yes or no? Right? So base will be written in the bottom, right? Remember like this, base in bottom. Base will be written in bottom. It is just a way to represent. It is just a way to write, okay? There's just a way to write. Base is written at bottom. Then C, right, is the value. So value will have value. Value have some value, right? Okay, means value is written here. It is just the representation. So this is how we represent log. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Everyone got this? Everyone got this? Tavishka, you're getting anything? Right? Tavishka, you're getting everything? Right? Sricharan? Very good, Esther. If anyone have any doubt? Harsh, Yukti, Tavishka, Niketan, Sricharan? Think about it. I'll repeat, don't worry, I'll repeat how many times it is required, okay? Now, I'll repeat with examples. Let's think about examples, right? So I'll write one example. 3 to the power x is equal to 7. Suppose I want to find x. First of all, log is used to find what? Log is used to find power. So write x, it is power, is equal to, then it is equal to log. Now, among these, what is base? Tell me, what is base? Base is what? Tell me. Harsh? Vishka? Tell me, base is what? In this, forget about this. In this, what is base? Harsh, you're getting. Tavishka, you're getting. Rishika, you're getting. Tanmay? Tell me, please tell me if you guys are getting. Yes, Tanmay? Ragini, Manita, Mansa? Okay, so base is 3, na? So 3 base at bottom, base as bottom, right? Base at bottom. Now 7 value, this. So it is said as x is equal to log 7 base 3. Okay, it is said as log 7 base 3. Got it? Right? It is, yes, it is, right? Represented by this term, which is x equal to log 7 base 3. Now, how to find the value, that's another story, right? That is different concept, right? But first we have to know this concept. Anyone have any issue? Tell me. So if anyone asks you, log will give me which value? Tell me, log will give me value of what number? What values? Tell me. Think about it. Power and exponents. Yes, very good, right? Log will always give me the value of power, right? Or exponent. Now tell me, what is this difficult? This concept is difficult, or it's same as addition subtraction that we have studied in class 1, 2? All of you are getting this concept? Tell me. Think about it, right? Okay. Harsh? Brinda, Ika, Arav, Rishika, Shrichanand, Vishka, everyone is getting? Yes, very good. If anyone have any kind of doubt, please ask. Okay, don't hesitate in asking anything. Okay, right? Now. Okay, so now think about it. Think about it. I'll just ask you a simple problem. I'll just ask you a simple problem. Okay, this is the basic. This is the basic of log. I hope all of you understood this log. Okay, so find this. Write down in exponent form. Write down this in exponent form. If I'm having log x base 2 is equal to 4, right? Log x base 2 is equal to 4. Find x. Tell me. Log x base 2 is equal to 4. What is the value of x? Think about it. Step by step, step by step. Log x base 2 is equal to 4. What is the value of x? No, Shavya, that's wrong. Brinda, that's correct. Very good. Aditya, that's wrong. Devika, correct. Very good. Harsh, wrong. Sricharan, you made some mistake. We're close. Think about it. No, Shravya, that's wrong. Think about it. What is x? You should ask yourself, what is x? Here, in this question, what is x? Tell me, in this, what is x? X is value, na? X is value, right? Yes, Ragini, correct. Very good. Start with writing. X is what? X is value. What is 2? 2 is base. What is 4? 4 is power. Yes or no? That's why you have to understand the basic concept, right? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Think about it. Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me. X is value, 2 is base, 4 is power. And how can we write? How can we write this? How can we write this? 2 is base, 4 is power, X is value. Yes or no? This is what we are doing, right? Yes or no? Tell me, right? So what is X? Right? X is equal to 16. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Esther, 2 to the power 4 is 16. Got it? Shravya, got it? Aditya, got it? See? So I hope everyone got the idea, right? No need for sorry. Why sorry? It's fine, nah, right? We make mistakes, then only we can learn, right? Can anyone have learned anything without mistakes? Tell me, right? Think about it, nah. If Tesla haven't fallen, if Edison wouldn't have fallen, right? Fallen means failed in the experiments. Would we have used, like, would we using this kind of technology now? No, nah, right? Think about it. Suppose after first failure, right? Okay, Edison would have left his experiment, right? Think about it. What would have happened? Or Tesla would have left his admission. This, okay, right? No, Shricharan, we will just try to solve some more problems on this. We will have Kahoot tomorrow, okay, right? How many of you know that Even Einstein have failed. Tell me, even Einstein failed. I hope all of you know these things. So failure is not bad, right? Okay, making mistakes is good, but you should not be disappointed. That is one thing you have to, right? Because see, we all fail in some part of our life. Everyone fail in some part of our life, but it's the determination that we should not lose. Okay. Now let's try to notch up the concept. I hope all of you understood this concept. Yes or no? Let's try to solve some more problem based on this. Okay, let's see. Let's see who can solve this. Tell me, find this. Step by step, find x. Think about it. Very good, Brinda, very good. Step by step. See, math is not complex, right? We make it complex. So try to simplify everything. Akshit, you have to find x, right? X. Try to simplify it, Akshit. Very good, Harsha. Very good, Harsha. Very good, Ragini. Rishika, Turishka, Arav, Niketan. Now think about it. Think about it, right? Okay, do not, again, the mistake that we do is that we jump steps. Write down now. I told you what is 27. Tell me what is 27. 27 is value. Value. What is x? X is base. Base. What is 3? 3 is power. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Everyone understood this thing? Yes or no? Tell me. Definition. Basic definition. Anyone have any issue in this? Tell me. Anyone have any issue till this point? Tell me. Right? So how we write it? We write base to the power is equal to value. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? This is how we write it. This is how we write it. Yes? Anyone have any issues? And 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Yes or no? 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Tell me. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Step by step. Anyone have any doubt? Please ask. So what is x? Now tell me. Now tell me what is x. What is x? X is equal to what? Very good. X is equal to 3. Very good. Anyone have any doubt till now? Tell me. Or got the concept? Tell me, got the concept? Step by step, right? Step by step. If any doubt, try to understand the basic definition. Okay. Try to understand the basic definition. Okay. Right? Okay. Okay. So it was easy, right? 2 to the power 2 into 3, right? 2 to the power 6. Yes, very good, right? It is 2 to the power 5 into 0, 5 to 0 is 0, so 2 to the power 0. Yes, very good. It is 2 to the power 63. Guys, it is 3 to the power 1 now. 5 plus 2, 7 minus 6, 3 to the power 1, right? Last question, everyone, last question. These are double points. Guys, this is again 3 to the power 4 minus 3 is 3. 2 to the power 2 by 2 to the power 3. So it will be 2 to the power at the denominator, right? So the answer should be this now, right? Okay, let's see the podium. Brinda third, very good. Second, Tanmay, very good Tanmay. Who is first? Akshit, very good Akshit. Fourth Harsh, fifth Purvi. Okay, very good everyone. So that's it for today's class. I hope all of you learned something new, right? Yes.